Hey everybody, here is day 3 of the Oregon Wildfire Smoke in the western Willamette Valley. Anybody who lives over here throughout the Willamette Valley from Portland down clear past Eugene down into probably the Medford area is experiencing these exact same conditions. The smoke at the ground level is heavier than it ever has been before. There's been more ash on the ground than ever been before. I actually saw some videos of the town of Detroit, of what's left of it. I know that the old city hall and the old fire station is gone. Across the street from that is a motel. A really nice little motel is gone. Houses are gone. The Cedars restaurant is gone. Not good. We've got a lot of people in that area who's been completely displaced and who's suffering. But it's unhealthy to be outside. Just absolutely horrible. But you guys can see basically the color of where everything is right now, as well as just how thick and bad the smoke is. So if you are not in the Willamette Valley, consider yourself lucky. But it's this way from basically the Cascade Range all the way over to the Pacific Ocean. And it's going to take days for the stuff to clear out. Well, you guys, thanks for watching. Keep everybody who's been affected by this in your prayers. We're fine. We've got no issues here other than this just horrible, horrible smoke. Guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.